Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn off dark mode on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off dark mode on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and now in order to proceed from over here, in order to turn off the dark mode, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three dotted icon and tap on settings, and over here you can see the chats option available for us just below the avatar. Tap on chats, and now in order to proceed from over here you can see the theme option available for us just above the wallpaper. Tap on theme, and you can see we are on currently dark mode. Now in order to turn off dark mode, tap on light or as the system default and tap on OK. You must preferably tap on the light so that your WhatsApp will be switched to the light mode or turned off dark mode instantly. And with that being done guys, the WhatsApp dark mode has been turned off. And guys, this is how to turn off dark mode on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.